The biggest hesitations I hear about adopting MaintainX CoPilot or any other AI tools are usually around trust and liability with the answers that were given. How we address those is that, unlike a lot of other AI tools, MaintainX CoPilot gets its information from the customer's organization. So it only pulls from the manuals that the customers put in. It only pulls from the information that their own technicians put in and the insights that they leave behind. So you're not too worried about having to go and find accidental bad information that you could get when an AI tool is scouring the web. We recently worked with a customer that had been flirting with the idea of using AI. We approached them slowly. We shared our trust and security documentation and insights into how our tool is built and how it really only focuses on the information that's within their own account. And that got approved by the AI governance board. We started with a pilot with them. Since then, they have been flying with it. They just want to add more and more users and are moving out of the pilot stage and into full-on rollout within their organization.